And welcome to another video. So in today's video I am going to be getting straight to the point and showing you how to remove your background and add a image outline glow to your photo. Perhaps you want to do this for your thumbnails or whatever it is, it doesn't really matter, but let's just get ahead and get straight to the point. So you grab your image over here, go to your edit image over here, go down to background removal. You will now select that. It will remove your background. Now you have a empty image with no background, and that's really great. Now step 2, you will go back to your edit image, go down again, you will go down and select shadows under the FX effects. Click that, you will go down here and select glow. Alright guys, now that you have gone into this menu, you will go and select your color. For the purpose of this video I will go to white like my thumbnail, and now you will go to your intensity. You can make it heavier or less. I'm going to go heavy 100%. I'm going to go and select my size and have it a little bit more out. I'm going to go to my blur amount and make it a little bit less blurry, like that. More blurry actually, that's better. Okay, now I can just simply stretch out my image like this. And yes, so that is how you add a image glow. And if you are not happy with the color, obviously you can go back down to your shadows and change the color, and you can select any color that you want to put in. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and yeah, hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. All right, peace out.